Hi everyone, this is Ravi Gupta. So welcome to Engineering Adda. In the earlier video, I have already talked about the basic concept of Java. That is, the four basic concept that we have covered is inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. So here I will be practically showing you how we can achieve those four concept in the Java. So first of all, this is the IntelliJ idea, which is an IDE to run the Java applications. So this is a standard one we can use like Eclipse and NetBeans also for running our codes. So like this is an idea because I'm using this from last 4 years. So that is why I'm just trying to recommend you as well to use this. This is a simple concept. We can also explain this concept in the simply notepad writing some simple classes and examples. But this is an idea I'm using for creating multiple Spring Boot projects. So that is why I'm also explaining here. Okay. So no problem. We will continue that. So I will create one project here. So this is how we can create a simple project called Java Basics. Okay, new window. So here in the source, I can create one package. We'll name it com. Inside that, I can create one example class. Like if we are explaining the inheritance concept, I will take a class like inheritance demo. Okay. So the concept of inheritance says that the properties of the parent class can be accessed by the child class. So here I am explaining this concept using the creating some two classes, parent and child class. So this one will be our main class. So I will write here the main method. Okay, so I will be creating two classes, class parent and class child. Okay, so like inheritance can be achieved using these two keywords. If we are extending, like if we are if one child class is inheriting some property of the parent class, so if the similar type of entity is there, we can use the word called extends. And if the child class is inheriting the properties from some of the interface, then we can use the key called implements. So here both parent and child are the classes, so we'll use the keyword called extends. So the child class is extending the parent class. Now here I will provide some methods. So this should be like if I'm writing some method, so see if some is returning something and it's a public type, or it can be a private as well. So here if we are passing a and we are returning the sum of those. So I'm creating math one variable called sum, and I'm just adding those two and then returning the sum. So yeah, okay, and the same I would say let me print something that this is a parent class. Similar method will create inside the child as well, and here we'll say okay, now we'll call this inside the main method. So I'll create a I'm just creating the instance of the parent class. I'm just passing the argument. So it will return something. Okay, just make them protected so that we can call it inside the other class as well. Okay, so I'm printing basically n and n1. See what happens. Okay, so what is happening is see, this is the parent reference, but here we are using the child class uh, memory. So what is happening? So whenever we are calling p dot sum, it's calling the child. Okay, and here with the parent p, we are calling the parent method. Okay, now I will create the child object and try to call. So it's a child uh, class that child method that we are calling. Now let me see if I can create the. I don't think I can create it. Yeah. So it's saying that change of new parent to new child, or we can cast it. So this is not a standard way. Okay, and here inside the sum method or inside the child class, we can also directly call the sum method of the parent class. Okay, so that I will do using the super keyword. Now if I am just calling only the child reference and printing that child one, see what happens. So we are calling the child method, okay, and we are passing 2 and 3 as our arguments, so we are getting one return type as this. So what is happening is whenever we are calling this child method, what is happening is we are inside the child, we are calling this parent as well using the super keyword, and then we are printing this child method, and then we are summing these arguments and returning it out. So what is happening is inside the child class, we can directly call the parent method, or we can access the parent attributes using the super keywords in the child class. So this is a classic example of inheritance. So yeah, thanks for the video. We will explain the next concept in the next video. Thanks.